So everybody already knows about the Makita air duster. This isn't a new product, it's been around. I bought mine on Amazon Japan. This version is also made in China. And just like everybody else who has one of these, I love this thing. If you buy this in the United States, you get a Makita USA warranty and you get these 5 nozzles. If you buy this from Amazon Japan, you do not get a warranty from Makita. You get the same 5 nozzles, you get these additional accessories. I call this the computer cleaner. You get the inflow filter that goes on the back of this to filter the inflow, and you get this space bag or compression bag attachment. This goes on the back. You put this over the valve on the compression bag and it sucks all the air out of those vacuum compression bags. I'm not going to go into a big review and explanation of these nozzles and accessories. Tools and Stuff already did that. There's other YouTube reviews on this. I recently purchased these additional accessories from Amazon Japan. I had to use Black Ship because they wouldn't ship to me directly. So here is the Makita part number. The hydraulic connectors on my Kubota get all full of dirt, and I'm going to use these to blow out the socket end of the hydraulic connectors and the nozzle end of the hydraulic connectors. But everything tends to blow back in your face. So I found this Flexzilla chip guard, and this can go on here and act as a kind of a guard for all the stuff that blows back. So it fits really well on this diameter. Let me see if it fits on the short tube. It's a little less ideal. Nope. So the set screw bottoms out and it doesn't fit on the short tube. You'd have to wrap a whole bunch of electrical tape on there or something to get it to work. Put it on the longer extension, leave it on the longer extension. Then you've got the option with the blowback shield, without the blowback shield. If you need the blowback shield, this just fits on. I didn't like how floppy this whole thing was when it's got all the extensions on there. So I did put some electrical tape on here, and I'm going to put that in there like that. If you do that, just remember to put this nozzle on this first. Gotta remember to put that on first, then put the electrical tape on there. That much. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. Hardly needs any. Okay, now does this still work? Yes. Okay, so now this arrangement makes a little more sense for cleaning out those hydraulic nozzles. And I think you can see there how much junk blows back. I almost wish this was a little bit larger in diameter, but then it tends to get kind of heavy and clumsy. So I think that's going to work out fine. This is just a short video with some tips, pun intended. Feel free to use my affiliate links to do some comparison shopping. I know that Makita XGT has gotten very expensive in the United States. I'll add this to this video because I don't know if I'm probably not gonna review the Makita microwave. I just bought mine because I noticed that it's 10% off on Amazon Japan. So with the exchange rate today, plus DHL 3-day shipping, my total in US dollars is $572.91. That's like $300 cheaper than buying this in the United States. I don't get a warranty. It's not going to be UL listed, but I'm sure they're the same product. So if you've been like me and you've been on the sidelines about this microwave, you might want to check it out because the exchange rate and the 10% off, I know this is a lot of money for a tiny little weak battery-powered microwave. But there's been a couple of times I actually wished I had this with me. So I decided to go for it. So I just thought I would add this at the end of this video just in case anybody was interested in this before that sale goes away. And I just don't know if I'm going to review this product on my channel or not. So feel free to use my affiliate links in the description below to do some comparison shopping, see if you're interested in those things. Any use of my affiliate links is greatly appreciated. You know how YouTube works. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.